Hello, and thank you so much for watching my Airbnb service provider tracker. This is a video tutorial on how to use the spreadsheet. If you have found me on YouTube, please see the description below for the link to purchase this spreadsheet. Okay, so this is a provider tracker. This is to where a list of all the different providers that you might have servicing your property, and this is a place to keep track of their names and contact information. Okay, so this heading here, it shows you the name of the service. This shows you the frequency, how often that they're going to come to the property, the name of the company, their phone number, the website, the price that it usually costs, the date of service that you're scheduling it, and then the actual completed date, because sometimes that changes, whether or not you've paid them, and then some notes. So all you have to do is click in here, and you can write things like septic. They're going to come annually. So you just click in here and then write the phone number. If you do a website like this and you hit the space bar, it'll create a clickable link so that you can just click on it. So you can just click on it and go straight to it from there. And then same thing for the next one. And then you can just copy that down if you need to. No, and then our notes are, so this is just a really simple spreadsheet. You can customize it as you'd like. You're welcome to even, if you wanted to change this heading to something else like serviced, you could do that. And then when you go to print this, if you want to print this at home, you'll go to File and Print. And then what you want to do is when it goes to, you print the current sheet, you want it to be on landscape, so that's going to be long. And then you want the scale to be instead of normal, because then it would print out a little funny. You want it to say fit to page, and that way everything will print out for you beautifully. So if you wanted to print this out and keep it in a notebook, you can do that as well. So that's how to print that out. Okay, so if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, but I appreciate you watching my video. Thanks.